Hello everyone. So we are back with another video. Okay. Uh, another walkthrough. So the next walkthrough is Smag Grotto. Okay. So we are going to solve this one. Okay. So first, all of you should start your machine, and then we will just do the necessary things and just. Oh, I'm sorry. Not here, but here. I shouldn't close that. And I have put my IP here and just do ifconfig and just copy this IP, then just paste it here and just close it. So that we have our local IP and the attacker IP. The victim's IP. Okay, this is our attacker IP and this is our victim IP. Okay, let's see it. Let's run an nmap scan on it. Okay, here I will type my password and paste this, and let's do a full port scan. Okay, let's do a full port scan and let's see what we get. Okay, uh, then let's try to open it in Smag Grotto. Okay, welcome to Smag. This site is heavily under development. Check back soon to see some of the amazing services we offer. Okay, if we view its page source, it says the same, and uh, we can check reports.text if we have. Okay, we don't have reports.text. Okay, let it finish. I think, as we can see, there are only two port 80 and port 22. 80 would be HTTP, and 22 would be SSH. Okay, so let's try to run a first command on it. Okay, let's choose a smaller word list. Just do common.txt and let's do 10.114.164.134. Let's fuzz it. Okay, it's running. It's running. Let's wait. Okay, we have index.php. Okay, we have mail. Okay, so let's try to go there and check what have we there. Okay. Okay, network due to exponential growth of our platform. Okay, these are some messages, and here we can see a pkf file. Okay, so pkf file is basically a workshop file. So when our data is transferred, it transfers in the form of packets. Okay, so in some rooms, the developers of the rooms, they can hide some important detail on those pkf files. Okay, so what are we gonna do is we're gonna just view that file. Okay, so let me change my directory so that everything is organized. Okay, so rm and do rmrf. Yes, do ls. Okay, so everything is has been deleted. So let's open this and let's where is Tryhackme here, and then we will go to Smeg Grotto. Sorry, I have too much rooms. So okay, if I do ls, then we have the file. Okay, then we will just open Wireshark. Okay, so now open not volume one. I don't know. I don't want volume one. Here is Smeg Grotto. Then here is pk file. Okay, so this is our file. So we see that this is a TCP DSP. So there would be nothing interesting in TCP. The main thing we are gonna focus is this HTTP, this one and this one. Let's see this one first. So it says frame, then it says Ethernet options, Internet Protocol version and source, then transmission protocol. It does not give us anything useful. So hypertext protocol, yeah. So it says that you can log in to that address. Okay, I mean to that URL. So let's development.smag.thm and login.php. So what we will do is we will do nano etc hosts. Oh, sorry, nano etc host. I guess no. Oh, sudo nano etc hosts. Okay. Okay. So we have I have done this room like mm, a week ago. So that's why I have added this. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna just change this 114.164.134. So basically this works as a DNS. So for these rooms we prefer DNS so that we don't have to rely on the real DNS, okay, which Google offers. So let's see this, and it says go to development.smeg.thm. Now let's go to development.sme.th. Let's go here, and yeah, we see username and password. So we'll try admin, uh, admin. So it says no invalid username or password. Okay, so if we try to do, is there an SQL injection here? Let's see. Okay, invalid username or password. So we will, before doing anything, we will just check it. Another one. Okay, so we were here. Okay, it has nothing else. So here we also have the same thing. What's in this? Yeah. So we have the credentials here. Okay. First is help desk. Username is help desk, and password is this ching something like this. Okay. So it's like change now. Okay. So I will copy the value and let's see what value we copied. Okay. So we will write help desk. We will write this, and we will log in successfully. Okay. Okay. So we will see what is this command. If we type ls and we type send, nothing works. Okay, then we will just let's start with this bin bash. Let's start with bin bash, and we can close this now. We don't need it any longer. 192.168.146.110. Okay, 146.110. So 146.110 and 4444. Let's do it. Let's do nc dash lvnp 4444. Let's try to send this, and as you can see, this did not work. Did not work. So let's see what pages you can try anyone. Okay, you can go on reverse shell generator. Okay, you can use anyone here one by one. So which one works? Okay, so rmtmp. Let's do this. Okay, so it's 192.168.146.110. 146.110. Okay, let's try to send this, and I think this will work, and yeah, this one worked. Okay, so you can see, I think this is, if we find it here, uh, if we find it here, yeah, so NC1, no, this is what make FIFO. Yeah, I think this is this one, RM make FIFO. You can try this from here and you will be able to get a shell. Okay. Then we'll see who am I. We will do ls. Okay. Okay, so this is admin.php and login.php. Okay, so we need to like see where do we stand. So pwd developments. So if we do lsla, so we have admin.php page and login.php page. So if we do get admin.php, okay, so we get something like this, nothing normal. If we get login.php, so it will have some normal file. I think so. Yeah, see, if username is helpdesk and password is this, then we already got these. So let's try to explore somewhere else. Okay, so let's do var www. Let's see. Then go to cdhtml. Then see. Okay, we have index.php. We have, if we do get mail. Okay, so mail is a directory. So we will do ls. Okay, we have index.php which will show us the same old page. Okay, yeah, it's a style sheet and nothing more here. Okay, jqz netadmin. Okay, bcc. Uh, yeah. Okay, so we will do ls. So we don't have anything here. If we do ls, then okay, nothing cited here. If we go this, if we go to development.smag.thm, if we go here and admin and css lsla, so we did. So let's go to home. Okay, so we know there is a user called check. Okay, so we will just go here and ls. Okay, so we can go to cd opt ls lsla. Yeah, backups. As you can see, we have a folder called backups. Folder, yeah, it's the directory. So we will go here and here. So we have this rsa.pub.backup. Okay. So I will try to catch it. RSA dot public pub dot. So it's a public key. So I will see. Yeah, it's a public key. So let me check the permissions I have so I can read it. Okay, I can read it right. Read and write. Okay. So this, and it is owned by roots. Okay. So this is a breakpoint here. So we can edit anything we want. Okay. So we can make our user, okay, as the trustee of the system. Okay. And for that, what we want to do. Okay. So this is my OBS running. Okay. So I will do like this. Let me go to my dot ssh. Who is a directory? Oh, I'm getting it. Sorry. Let's do it here. And yeah, we have idrsa dot. We need dot pub. I think so. We need dot pub. Yeah, we need dot pub. So what we'll do is I'll id rsa dot pub. I'll get it. Okay, so this is my IDRSA. So what I am gonna do now, we have to overwrite it there. We cannot use nano or any text editor there. So what we'll do is we'll do echo and we'll just copy this and we'll just paste it here. Okay. then we will, this will overwrite, I guess. So this will, and if I just copy this file, so we are pasting our SSH key. So in short, we are becoming the owner or the member, or we will be behaving like Jack, because we in Jack has our public key. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, I think so, that's it. So let's copy this one. Yeah, I did it here because here it is not a stabilized shell, so it will give us problems. So let's try to, we edit this, and let's try to see if we got the details perfectly. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, now what we can do is we can SSH with Jack at the rate 10.114.164 dot, sorry, 164.134. And yep, yeah, so here you can see we got the Jack. Okay, then ls, then I will do this and do this, and then I'll get my user key, which I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, and hooray. Okay, so our user flag has been submitted. So let's, the first thing we do is for privilege escalation. Okay, for privilege escalation we will do is, we can see that there is an apt-get. So user can run this file as root. Okay, root can run, like we can run this file as root. So let's go to gtfo beans again. You know what gtfo means. so we wanted to know about apt get, and let's give a shell command executable. Okay, so we have this command. We will just copy it, we will just sudo it, we will just paste it, we will say who am I. Okay, so this was pretty much fast. Okay, okay, so what we did is we copied our key to the jx file. Okay, we just overwrite it. What will happen, like when we ssh with jack, the system goes and check, is my public key registered there. So yeah, I overwrite my public key there, so it was registered, so it didn't ask for any password or anything. Okay, then after that I got my jack user, then I did sudo.l, then I got a apt key command. Okay, user Jake may run the following command on say. Jake can run this command as sudo. Okay, so as we did this, we got the sudo flag. Okay, then we will just go to cd root. We will do ls, and we will do root.txt, and here we have the flag. So let's do this, and let's paste this. Okay, so this room is has been completed again. Okay, I mean another room has been completed. So yeah, so that was all about the Smeg Grotto. Okay, and Smeg Grotto. And if you have any questions about this room, or if you want to, mm, and if you want me to solve any other room, you can always ping me. Okay, you can ping me, and you can reach me out on WhatsApp, or you can leave a comment, and I'll be happy to respond you back. And yeah, that was it. So bye bye for now. I'll catch you with another walkthrough.